Okay, guys, so the swimsuit, it is all ready. And the head wrap, guys, this is simple. It's basically you just take the measurements of your head, and this material actually has a little scratch to it, and you do one stitch, one stitch down the middle, and I'm not using any lining or anything, and that's it. The headband is the most simplest thing, and then the width, how long you want it to be, and that's it. That is it. So there go all three pieces, guys. The bikini, the headband, and this is what I was telling you guys. You see how when I do the elastic going around, this is what makes it hug your breast, and then I fold the bottom at the bottom right here, and then I just whisk the elastic through, and that's what give it that shape. So there you go, guys. That is the finishing results to these bikini bathing suits, and the head wrap is so simple to make. So there you go, guys. Make those bikini fur swimsuits. Thank you, guys. God bless. Bye bye.